Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by exposing the exact damage and making a clean working edge. Lift only loose paper with a sharp blade. Once lifted, remove old adhesive or debris with a damp cloth and let the area dry. Make sure to cut jagged edges into a neat shape so new adhesive sits flush. You want a stable margin for a seamless repair. Begin applying a thin, even layer of wallpaper adhesive to the wall and to the back of the lifted paper. Once adhesive is tacky, align pattern carefully, then press the paper into place starting at the top and moving downward. Use a smoothing tool to push air and paste toward the edges. Work slowly to preserve the pattern match. Make sure to roll seams with moderate pressure so edges bond without stretching the paper. Trim any excess with a fresh blade, then clean off paste with a damp sponge. Allow the repair to set undisturbed until fully dry before further handling. You finish by letting the repair cure for 24 to 48 hours. Do not expose it to steam or strong heat while adhesive sets. Once dry, inspect for lifting or small bubbles. If an edge lifts, inject a little adhesive under the seam with a syringe and press down, then roll again. If you see a visible ridge or misalign, lightly dampen the area to relax the paper and adjust immediately, then blot dry. This single, methodical approach is the only.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.